Does it feel like your salary is never enough? Before you even get your paycheck, it seems like all of it has already been spent, leaving you with nothing left to put into your savings. Have an emergency you need money for? Unfortunately, you don't have extra savings lying around. Is there anything you would like to buy? Again, sadly, you just don't have the funds for it. You don't have emergency money, you don't even have money to spend on little splurges like budget getaway trips with your family, or new shoes, or even the occasional eating out with your kids. Basically, financially, there just isn't much room for you to do anything or go anywhere. Today though, this video will tell you what you can do to make extra money with your extra time. Stick around and I'll tell you about these 3 websites that can help you achieve just that. Welcome to Money Anytime, where we share money-making tips and tricks through online means. The methods and ideas that we will share are guaranteed up-to-date and surely doable at home, so you can earn money anytime. So if that's what you are looking for, don't hesitate to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know what next money-generating trick we have got up our sleeves. You can also leave a comment below if you've got questions or other methods that you want to learn about. But for now, let's go back to the video. Our first website helps you earn money by giving you a platform to search for side jobs in your area. The jobs can range from dog walking to personal shopping to even painting houses, and all of these are listed in TaskRabbit.com. This really is just a platform that allows people to list odd jobs they need done for a specific time and for people to apply for these jobs. For each job, you can be paid around $25 to even $150. It all depends on the listing. But the good thing about this page is that TaskRabbit doesn't get a cut of your salary. The whole thing goes to you. To get started, all you have to do is go to their webpage and click the Become a Tasker button on the upper right-hand side of the page. From here, you can select your area and then choose your job category. Unfortunately, this page limits the areas to places within the United States, so if you're from a country other than the US, then this page might not be for you. Once you've given the required data, you can then create an account by filling out this very simple registration form. There is a required one-time registration fee of $5, but after that, you can just start earning and not have to worry about any other fees or deductions. They are strict with their requirements, like you will need valid identification to verify your identity, and also a social security number to secure your account. But after you've cleared all of these, you can proceed to choosing jobs within your area. You can choose your own time, filter the job prices, and job selections. Basically, you are in charge. Payments are deposited through the app, so you will need a smartphone. Are you enjoying this video so far? Let us know if you're interested in checking out TaskRabbit.com or any other similar websites by leaving a comment in the comment section below. Or if there's any websites you would like to explore and make a video on, leave a comment below and we might just do a video on that as well. But for now, let's go back to the video. For our next website, we are going to be checking out Rev.com. If you've ever been interested in landing a transcription job, then this is definitely the page for you. Rev.com offers freelance transcription jobs, and you can choose from audio and video transcribing, English closed captions, and global translated subtitles, which definitely requires you to know at least one foreign language. Rev.com has a browser tool that allows you to transcribe direct to video, so basically this means that you will need to have a laptop or a computer for accuracy and efficiency of your transcriptions. To start, click the login button on the upper right-hand side of the screen, and this should take you to their page where you can create an account. Fill out the necessary details and you are in. You can now start transcribing. Rev.com offers rates of $1.50 for audio and video transcriptions, same with English closed captions, and $5 to $12 per minute for global translated subtitles. Payments are made weekly through PayPal, so it's easy and convenient. There is no need for you to go through the hassle of opening up new bank accounts. Before we go on to the next website on our list, do you find this video helpful? If you do, let us know in the comments section below, and please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure you don't miss out on any of our future uploads, where we always tell you about the easiest ways you can make extra money With the technology you have available, you might just find the right fit for you. But for now though, let's go back to the video. Have you ever had the desire to work remotely or to work from home full-time? Imagine earning without the daily struggles of putting up with long commutes that eat so much into your time and energy. You get to stay in the comfort of your own home, spend more time with your family, or to focus on your passions. Basically, you get more out of your day. And if you have, then this next website is perfect for you. ZipRecruiter.com allows you to specifically search for remote work or from home work. There are millions of job listings you can choose from depending on your area, skills, and preferences. You can even filter your choices by the salary you desire. But before we go on, we're almost at the end of the video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button to make sure you're updated on all our future uploads. And hit that notification bell so you get notified every time we have new content. We're constantly looking for new ways we can help you make extra money using your phones or computers, so make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss out on any of these. Now, back to the video. The first thing you have to do is go to ZipRecruiter.com's webpage, where you can search for a job title or keyword. They have suggestions like work from home, marketing, sales, full-time, or part-time. You can choose from any of these, or if you have more specific work titles in mind, you can type that in too. Next, you have to put in your location or remote, and then click the search button. This will automatically generate search results based on your preferences and location, and from there you can choose which job you would like to apply for. Simple and easy. Payment remittances generally depend on your agreement with your employer should you find any, as ZipRecruiter.com is a platform that puts employers and applicants together. And that's it! 3 platforms that allow you to find work based on your skills and preferences. Full-time, part-time, remote, from home or on-site, skills-based or more specialized work. It's all there. All you have to do is go on these platforms and start your search, and who knows, you might finally find the job that suits your needs and wants perfectly. If you found this video helpful, we are constantly making videos just like this with new tips on how you can start your journey to financial freedom. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. And while you're at it, leave us your thoughts and suggestions on our comment sections below, as we love hearing from you. Good luck and see you in our next video.